Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to install this tire stickers, this one. So in this box we get gloves. You have to wear this because you're using a very strong adhesives in this. And in the box you get these things. So you have to wear gloves. According to your tire sizes, you will get that. Okay. See, first you have to clean all these things. You have to stick it near the rim itself. So you will get according to your wheel size. So these you will be getting like this. This is my design which I have selected. So let's install it. So this is the gum. So you have to apply it. Once you apply, be careful, wear gloves. Now you can take this. So careful, very strong gum. You have to place it like this. Like this. Okay. So in one hand it's very difficult. Okay, let's finish off all the things. I'll get back to you then. Yeah, see now it's completely done, and the car look will be like this. The car looks like this. Looks amazing. I'll post some stills as well uh, in the sunlight. Yeah, thanks, and do subscribe to my channel for more and more updates.